Hello, good evening everyone. Well, in this video you can notice the smoky weather around. The reason behind the smoky weather is farmers they have started burning their crop residue, which you can see in my field. I've flood irrigated the field. I will decompose this carbon or the crop residue into the soil, and the benefit of this will be because when the carbon will decompose, when it will have a reaction with nitrogen, it will decompose in the soil, and during that process it will release amino acids, and the amount of amino acids or enzymes that will, and also the bacteria which normally fixes the nitrogen and other molecules in the soil, and which makes the nutrients available to the plant at the root level. So that's the benefit of this when we decompose this into the soil, and when the amino acids will be released, and it will not only neutralize the pH level of the soil, because when the pH is high, because in my soil the pH is around 7.6 7.7, and when the amino acids in the soil will be released, the pH will definitely come down. So that's the best way. If the farmers they can put efforts, and instead of burning the crop residue, and this carbon should be mixed in the soil, it should not be burnt. And the problem now here is because there is lack of sunlight. You can see around the poly house and around my area there's lots of farmers, they have burnt the crop residue, and it's smoky weather, and due to the smoky weather there's lack of sunlight, and if there is lack of sunlight there's less photosynthesis, and in my poly house the fruit size has not grown from the last 2 to 3 days. And let's see if it gets better tomorrow, when the sunlight will be there, so there will be a little bit of photosynthesis, and the fruit size will increase. So it's my request to all the farmers, if they can, instead of burning the crop residue, that's the main problem these days, if they can, instead of burning, they can decompose in the soil. That will make the soil healthy. Thank you.